2, Gordon guitar. We have Bryce here featuring Pheelz, the song called Help. So it is one chord progression that goes through the entire song, and we have the capo set here on the 4th fret. So if you like this song, let's go. 4th fret here, capo, and with that we have 4 different chords. So we're gonna look at the chords first. The first one will be B minor, so that's a bar chord here, bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from the last E string here in the bass. So 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. Next chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have D next. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then finally the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so with that we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and then finally we're gonna look at the chord progression. So one round of the strumming starting from B minor here, since that is the first chord, will be down, down, up, clap, up, down. Okay, so like this. Down, down, up, clap, up, down. Alright, so that is one round, and a couple of rounds so you can just get the feeling for how it sounds will be like this. Alright, so the chord progression will be one strumming round per chord except from the last chord. So we're starting with B minor 1, then A1, D1, and G1. And you start all over again. B minor 1, A1, and then D2. And that's it. That goes round and round through the entire song. So B minor 1, A1, D1, G1, then B minor 1, A1, and D2. So you're gonna do just the strumming, and it will sound like this. Another round. And that's it, my friends. Song called Help. And I hope that helped this tutorial. So good luck with this one, guys. Until next time, play tuned.